Hi everyone. So, this is the building design that we have created so far, and now we'll be doing seismic analysis on it. We'll be performing response spectrum method and time history analysis both one by one on it. So, firstly, we'll be defining the seismic load pattern, and we'll be making use of the specifications of IS code 1893 for it. According to the IS code only, we'll use the seismic zone factor, site type, importance factor, response reduction factor, and also we'll use program calculated time period. And now we'll be setting the load combinations and the load cases to run. As for seismic analysis, we don't need to run the analysis for wind load. As done in the previous video on analysis, we can view various results such as displacements, force and stress diagrams, story response plots, etc. And now we'll be running the design check. After ensuring that the design code is IS 456 only, and now we will define the response spectrum function, which is a linear dynamic analysis method only. We'll be using the settings according to IS 1893. We'll use Control U to check the units for acceleration, and here we'll add the load case according to the response spectrum function only. We'll set two loads for x and y direction, and now run analysis for response spectrum and seismic load only. And we get the displacements in the radio view tab. For design check, we'll again be confirming the design code as we did earlier. And then check if all the members pass the design check or not. With this, response spectrum method is complete. For time history analysis, we'll modify the seismic load case to x direction only and use the other settings as per IS 1893 as we did earlier. For defining the time history function, we'll have to import a sample time history data of an earthquake, and we'll find the other settings accordingly. After defining the time history function, we'll be defining a load case for it. There will only be one load applied in x direction. Now we'll perform analysis for seismic load and time history load only. Now here we can see the displacements. We can also check for results like force stress diagrams and story response plots. And we'll perform design check after ensuring that the design courese is 456. Here we can see the reinforcement values, and we can also check the design details for a particular member as we did earlier. And in the reports tab we can check the project report, and the summary report as well. And here our seismic analysis is over.